guys, so welcome to week 20. This week we're doing 3 pop songs, and the one we're going to work on is called Rolling in the Deep, and it's by Adele. It's a few years old, but it was a massive hit for her, and it's a really good song. So we're going to have a go at it. I'm going to play through each part for you first. There's only 3 parts to the song. Goes like this. Okay, that's part 1. Part 2 goes like this. And part 3, this is the rock out section, goes like this. Okay, so you do use palm muting for part 1, alright? I'm going to discuss that with you afterwards because I'm going to show you, first of all, the actual pattern of the chords and also how I'd like you to strum them because the timing is different per chord actually. So you're going to start with a C minor bar chord. So to do that, you're going to flatten your first finger over the 3rd fret, 5th string down. Your second finger will be on the 4th fret, 2nd string. Third finger is going to be on the 5th fret, 4th string, and your little finger will be on the 5th fret, 3rd string. We're not strumming the 6th string. Obviously, like I said, we're going to be using palm muting to do this, but for the moment, I'd like you to play C minor 9 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So it's an awkward time that. So going to 9, slightly different. Then we're going to go to G minor, which means you need to keep your 3rd fret barred, but we're covering all the strings. So from the 6th string down. Your 3rd finger will be on the 5th fret, 5th string, and your little finger will be on the 5th fret, 4th string. We're going to play G minor 7 times, so we go but we're going to go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, think of it like that. So you're missing out your 1. Basically, the C minor, the 9 and C minor, is the 1 of the next bar. It's a bit awkward that, but I want you to count them like that. So we've got C minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then we're going to go to an A sharp chord. Now to do this, I just want you to take your little finger off your G minor and put it on the 6th fret, 6th string. We're going to strum from the 6th string down to the 2nd 9 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then we go back to G minor and we're going to strum it 4 times, but we're counting it as 2, 3, 4, 5. You can hopefully see a pattern here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go back to A sharp, and this time we're going to, 2, 3, 4, so just 3 beats. 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll put that together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. Okay, quite tricky. Okay, so I would literally stop the video here and spend however long it takes practicing part 1. On top of that, I'd like you to palm mute it. So you need to use this bit of your palm, rest it on the strings just in front of the bridge of the guitar so that the strings sound dampened like that. Careful not to press down hard. You can knock your guitar out of tune if you do that, and also you want to be able to hear some of the notes. They just don't want to ring out, basically. So you'd get. Okay, and that really adds to the effect. Right, so that's part 1. Bit of a challenge. Okay, part 2, slightly easier this. So you're going to play a G sharp major bar chord. So you're barring the 4th fret from the 6th string down with your first finger. Your second finger's on the 5th fret 3rd string. Third finger is on the 6th fret 5th string. And your little finger's on the 6th fret 4th string. We're strumming all the strings, no palm muting here, so you can relax. Okay, just for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going up to a B flat major chord. So it's the same shape actually, but 2 frets along. So you're barring the 6th fret with your first finger. Second finger is on the 7th fret 3rd string. Third finger will be on the 8th fret 5th string, sorry. And your little finger will be on the 8th fret 4th string. So we've got 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, down to a G minor, which we played earlier on. 2, 3, 4. Back to your G sharp major. Okay, so we've gone 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Except we're going to go G minor, 3, 4, and then G7. So keep your fingers where they are, except your little finger, which you want to take off, and you want to put your middle finger on the 4th fret 3rd string. Strumming all the strings. Okay, I'll play that whole thing for you again. So the whole of part 2. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, G minor, 2, 3, 4, G7, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is part 2. So once you've done part 1, this will be a bit of a relief. Okay, as with every one of these lessons, I'll label the parts in the corner of the play along video for you, so you know what's coming up when. Also, check out the play along video probably as soon as you've done this lesson, and then come back to this lesson. So because you need to get an idea, I think, of how the parts sound when they're put together. Okay, with all the other instruments, that is. Right, so part 3 goes like this. Okay, so we're going to a C minor bar chord, a different one to the one we played earlier. This time you're barring your 6th string down from the 8th fret, and your third finger will be on the 10th fret 5th string, and your little finger's on the 10th fret 4th string. We're strumming all the strings, no palm muting. You're rocking out. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move back 2 frets to a B flat major chord. So bar the 6th fret, all the strings. Third finger on the 8th fret 5th string, little finger on the 8th fret 4th string, and middle finger on the 7th fret 3rd string. And you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move back 2 frets. Okay, back to your G sharp major chord you played earlier on. So you're flattening your first finger over the 4th fret, 6th string down. Middle finger would be on the 5th fret 3rd string. Third finger on the 6th fret 5th string, little finger on the 6th fret 4th string. Okay, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then go back to your B flat 3 times. 2, 3, 4. And I'm counting that from 2, 3, 4. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. And loop that. Okay, so those are your 3 parts. Now, I'm under no illusions that this will take a bit longer than normal, perhaps, because that first section is quite tricky timing-wise. So do have a go at putting all the parts together. Try the palm muting if you can. If you can't, if it's a bit too tricky for the moment, just skip to the play along video and play along those parts with open strumming. All right, don't worry about the palm muting. But I'd like if you'd have a go. All right, guys, well, have fun. Come and see me in the play along video, and I will see you next week. All right, bye-bye.